ki oturmuşum yazırsa kimse var.
Now we will show you and tell you about something new. This masterpiece had been under construction for years. Now I finally see it in use.
And this is Crescent Mall. Now to show some example of prices, I'm inside Poland Bear company, 20 AZN, 20 manat, so that's 10 euros, 10 euros. Now for example these shorts cost 30 AZN, 30 manat, that's 15 euro. You split the number in half and you got it how much it costs in euros. So 15 euro. Now this blouse costs this much, around 50 euro, 35 euro. I'm gonna enter Bershka to see whatever comes first to my hand. Let's see this shirt, 40 manat, that's kinda 20 euro. Jeans 95, so around 32 euro. This blouse shirt for woman, that's kinda 40 euro. 40 euro. $35-32 euro.
Unlike in Serbia, here in Azerbaijan you can see a lot of street cats.
Wow, something's happening here. A festival, they're presenting new cars, different brands.